Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another selection series on principles and practices of banking. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, do let me know is audio, video both are okay? Are we good to go? Do let me know is both are okay. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, then do download the application. And if you have not subscribed the channel Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So good morning to all of you. First, let me know everything is okay so that I will be moving forward. Now, apart from that, the today's topic which we are going to discuss, that is a retail banking. Okay, we are going to discuss the retail banking. Before that there are certain batches which is going to help you in your preparation. First of all, there are two English medium batches. Individual batch of the PPB is available, and all the combined batch of your JAIIB exam is available. That is started from 12th of September. Okay, from 12th of September this batch is started. So these two batches are English medium batch. If you are looking for an individual subject batch, that is also available on the application. Apart from that, this is the bilingual batch which is going to start from 3rd October. So this is a good opportunity for all of you that you can practice as many questions you can in this particular batch. This will be a bilingual batch. The content will be in English, but the explanation will be bilingual. So if you are comfortable with the bilingual explanation, you can go with this particular batch. And this batch is going to cover 3000 plus MCQs, previous year questions, and 600 plus case studies. Okay. Apart from that, there is a CAIIB batches also which is going to start from 3rd October. That is English medium and bilingual, both batches are there. So if you know someone who is preparing for the CAIIB exam, do let them know. The batches are going to start from the 3rd of October. And to enroll in any particular product, you can use the code Y496. Last but not the least, test series are also available for your preparation. If you prepare well, like our way of preparing the exam should be first we should cover the conceptual understanding. After having the conceptual understanding, we have to do the revision with the help of ebooks or your short notes which you have made. Apart from that, at the last you have to give the test series so that you will know that whatever you have prepared, how much you are able to implement, because implementation of the content is very important. Let's say you have read what is PPB subject and you have read all the terms in the PPB subject, but somehow you don't know how to implement that knowledge in the question. Now that is not going to use for not going to be worthful. Okay, so that's why it is important that you can practice as much as you can. So these are the test series which are available. To enroll in the test series, you can use a code Y496S. Okay, so these are the all batches. Now let's move to the today's class, that is 8th class of selection series for the JAIIB exam of the subject principles and practices of banking. So today we are going to discuss the topic, that is retail banking and the products of retail banking. First of all, let's know what is retail banking. When we talk about the retail banking, it is the banking services which is provided by the bank to the individual customer. When the individual customer is coming to your branch and asking for the better services, then you provide them deposit, withdrawal, lending, check clearance, demand draft, locker facility, international debit, credit card, etc. So in the retail banking, you are offering a multiple products to the customer, and that you are offering to individual person only. That's why this is known as retail banking. Okay, good morning to all of you. Deepak, Harsha, Raisa, Subhashni, Leelavati, Ramkesh, Vasu, good morning to all of you. How are you all? English medium batch is there, Harsha. That is started from 12th of September. That is going on. If you enroll in this particular batch, you will get all the recorded classes which I have completed till now. Okay, I have showed in the starting of the session. That's the English medium batch. Sorry, let's just start the session. So retail banking is simply the banking services which is provided to the individual customer by the bank. And when the bank is providing retail banking services, bank is offering multiple products to its customer. Like I have example all the types of services, that is all comes under the retail banking. Okay, so let's just start. So first question is talking about which of the following is not a result of shifting the customer from the branch to the ATM. So we know ATM services is simply a also a part of your retail banking system, that you are providing individual customer ATM service. So you have to tell that which of the following is not a result of shifting the customers from the branch to the ATM. First is saying reduction in operating cost for the bank, improvement in operational efficiency, reduction in delivery cost, and fourth is none of the above, none of these. So which of the following is not a result of shifting the customer from the branch to the ATM? Okay, Anand is saying D. Also mention the question number. Whenever you are answering a question, do mention the question number. Good morning, Vijaya. Arun is saying A. Okay. Hitu is saying D. Hitu, I have seen you after so many days in the session. Okay, D and A. A and D, two options are coming. No, B is also there. A, D and B, three options are coming. First of all, improvement in operational efficiency is a result, because let's say when the customer is coming to the bank and customer has to stand in the queue, then he will be able to get the services. Now with the help of ATM services, customer can get the service whenever the customer wants. So it always gives you the improvement in the operational efficiency. Second, reduction in delivery courses. This is also a result now. When you are providing the ATM services, your delivery cost will be less. Like you don't have to appoint a particular person who is just checking the ATM transactions and all. So you can utilize your employees more better way for the more beneficial for the organization. So that's why we are saying the reduction in delivery costs will be there. Reduction is operating cost for the bank. That is also correct, that the operating cost for the bank will also be reduced. So all these are the result of the shifting the customer from branch to the ATM. So right answer will be none of the above. Right answer will be none of the above. Acha, what type of banking is it? What type of banking is it when the bank, when the customer do not have to visit the bank branch, but still can carry out all the banking services? So what type of banking is it? Let me know. What we call the type of banking in which customer do not have to visit the bank branch, but still will be capable of performing or carrying out the banking services. And if we talk about the ATM is automated teller machine. There are 11 types of ATM which we have discussed already in the paid classes. So do remember the types of ATM, that is important. After that, do let me know which type of banking is it where the customer do not have to visit the bank branch, is still able to perform or carry out the services. Digital banking, no. Virtual banking, we will say virtual banking. So virtual banking is a type of banking in which customer do not have to visit the bank branch, but still will be carrying out the banking services. And the examples of the virtual banking is online banking. You said digital banking, that is an example of virtual banking. Digital banking is an example of virtual banking in which customer do not have to come to the bank branch. Apart from them, ATM is also the example. Mobile banking is also the example. So all these are comes under the virtual banking facility. Okay, digital, or you can call it online banking. You can call it online banking. You can call it internet banking, mobile banking, and your ATM. Okay, now next. Which of the following targets to individual segments? Which of the following target to individual segment? The retail banking, the wholesale banking, the corporate banking, and both B and C. So which type of banking targets the individual segment or individual persons? What will be the answer? A, B, C, or D? Okay. That's very simple question. Like right answer will be A, retail banking. Retail banking is the banking which targets the individual segment, because wholesale banking or corporate banking mainly deal with the entities, industrialists. Okay, they are dealing with the entities or industries or corporates. Right answer will be A. What are the facilities available for mobile banking customer? Which facilities are available for the mobile banking customer? Facility of doing banking facility from anywhere, transfer of funds between accounts, same bank as well as other bank, option to pay utility bills, etc., and all of the above. So which are the facilities, what are the facilities which is available for the mobile banking customer? A, B, C or D? Third will be your, okay. Everyone is going with the D option. And that's correct. All of the above is the correct answer because all the services will be available in the mobile banking. Acha, mobile banking and internet banking both are different to each other. In mobile banking, you do not need a internet connectivity. But in digital banking, you will need a internet connectivity. Okay, do remember that. Next. Which of the following is not a service provided by retail banks? Which of the following is not a service provided by retail banks? So which of the service is not provided? Savings account, remittance, personal loan, consultancy. Not provided by the retail banks or not a part of the retail banking product. A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Also, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session. Fourth is D, very good. The right answer will be consultancy. Consultancy services will not be provided by the retail banking. All the other services will be there, that you can have a savings account, you can ram it there, you can have a personal loan. All the three products are available, but not the consultancy. Next, which of the following is factor? Which of the following is factor has not capitulated the scope of retail banking in India? So which of the following is a factor has not calculated the scope of retail banking in India? Is it a strong economic fundamentals? Is it emergence of new customer segment? Is it explosion of service economy, or is it conventional banking business? So which of the following is the right answer? Always make sure you are reading the question very carefully, that it is asking the correct or not correct, true or false, true, these type of things. Okay, always focus on the these types of keywords. That is very important. Sometimes we focus, we ignore that not part and we answer the something else. So do make sure you are not you are focusing on that. So which of the following is a factor has not calculated the scope of banking in India? A, B, C or D? Okay, very good. Right answer will be conventional banking business. So conventional banking business is a factor has not calculated the scope of the retail banking in our country. Right answer will be D. Very good. Next. Which of the below given important human intervention are not available in the physical channels in service delivery? So we are talking about human interventions which were created are not available in the physical channels in service delivery. Is it internet, internal customer branch staff? Is it a specialized market personnel? Is it direct selling associate? Is it net banking and mobile banking? Which is not done. Which of the following is correct? Okay, sixth is C and D, two options are coming. D and C, two options are coming. So right answer will be your D option, net banking and mobile banking, because it is a good invention of the human, but you cannot use that at the physical channels in service delivery. Okay, so right answer will be net banking and mobile banking. Next, which of the below point is not a benefit or use of mobile banking? Which of the below point is not a benefit or use of mobile banking? Easy to use and most acceptable channel for delivery. It is a tool to attract the older generation as a client. It has lesser transaction cost when compared to other delivery channels. It provides cost-effective solution as compared to ATM. So which of the following below point is not a benefit or use of mobile banking? A, B, C or D. Which of the following is correct? Okay, seventh is B. Maximum are going with the B option. And that's correct also, right? Because it is a tool to attract the older generation as a client. This is not the benefit or use of the mobile banking. Okay, very good. Right answer will be B. The branch is primary. The branch is the primary direct channel that runs the retail banking because of the following reasons. So the branch is the primary direct channel that runs the retail banking because of the following reasons. Which of the following reason is correct? First is saying it is the branch that tangibilize the intelligible nature of banking service. Second is saying branch personnel deal with the customer for their transactions. Third is saying communication happens directly with the bank staff and customers for the bank to better understand the requirement of customers. Fourth is saying all of the above are the reason. So which of the following you think is the reason that the primary direct channel branches are runs the retail banking? Okay. So maximum are going with the D option, that is all of the above reason. Okay, correct. Very good. Right answer is all of the above are the reasons that the branch is a primary direct channel that runs the retail banking. Okay, correct. Next. Through the use of internet banking, customers cannot avail which of the following the facility of the transaction. So by using the internet banking service, which service cannot be taken by the customer? Is it a transaction of debit? Is it a transactions of credit? Is it letter of credit or is it fund transfer? A, B, C or D? So which of the following is not used by customer in the internet banking service? Okay. Ninth is C. Maximum are going with the ninth is C option. Okay. Very good. Letter of credit service cannot be taken by the internet business or internet banking services. Okay, and what is letter of credit? Letter of credit is the secured mode of payment which is used in the international banking or international trade, we can say. So what is letter of credit? Letter of credit is simply secured mode of payment in the international trade. So when we use letter of credit, we are secured that our trading will be completed. There is no counterparty risk is available there. Okay, next. Foreign Exchange Management Act is administered by Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA, is administered by RBI, Government of India, SEBI, A and B both. Who administered the FEMA? So FEMA was introduced in the year 1999 and it came into existence from the 2000 year. So FEMA was has replaced the FERA. FERA was the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, which was introduced in the 1973. Then it was replaced by the FEMA. The reason behind it, in the 1991 we have introduced the LPG. Now LPG was the industrial policy or economic reform of our country, in which we have started liberalization, privatization, globalization. And because the globalization happened, the Indian economy became open economy, and we started doing export import as much as we want. In that situation, the FARA was not helping us out in the globalization. That's why we have replaced the FARA with the FEMA. Okay, so A and B, two options are coming. No, not the government of India, but the RBI. RBI is administering the FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. All the rules, regulations banks are following or not regarding the FEMA has been taken care by the Reserve Bank of India. So right answer will be A, not the government of India. Okay. So now let me know, out of 10 how many answers you have given correct. Out of 10 how many answers you have given correct. And these are the Mahapaks which are available. You can enroll in the Mahapaks because here you will find everything which you need for the preparation. Like all the mock tests will be available, all the ebooks will be available. Apart from that, all the live batches, that is bilingual or English medium, all that available. Now how to enroll in any of the particular product? You can go to the website and go to the JIB CIB section. If you want to enroll in the Mahapak, then you will find this is the JIB CIB Mahapak. Then you have a bilingual batch, English medium batch. Let's say you want to go with the English medium batch, so click on the English medium batch. You want to go with the combined batch, then you have to go to the combined batch. Do read all the details of the particular product and then click on the buy now. When you click at the buy now, you will find a option to put a coupon code, that is Y496, and click on the apply. You will find here 80% discount is going on, and if you purchase the same product from the Adda 24/7 application, you will get 81% discount here. So this is the particular product in which you can enroll by only giving 3000 rupees if you purchase from the Adda 24/7 application. Similarly, if you want everything like JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapak, all the test series, etc., then you can go with the bank JAIIB ka Mahapak, and here you will find double validity also, and that will be more beneficial for you because you know that in the next year the syllabus is going to be changed, and that syllabus will be updated in the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapak. So you can enroll in this particular product by using the code Y496. 81% off will be given to you, that if you purchase from the application, and as well as double validity is available. Like this is for 24 months, but I don't think you need for the 24 months. You can go for the 12 months also. So this is the offer for all of you, that by only paying 10,000 rupees you are getting JAIIB and CAIIB, all live classes, all ebooks, all the test series. Apart from that, it will be valid till 2 years. Okay, that will be valid for the 24 months. So that will be a better opportunity for you, of all of you, and that will be a cost effective also for all of you. Okay, so if you have not enrolled in a particular batch, then do go with the JIB and CIB ka Mahapak, because this is more cost effective for all of you. So now let's end the session here. Before ending the session, if you like the session, do make sure you have liked the video, and also share the session on the multiple Telegram channels where you know the people are linked who are preparing for the JAIIB exam. And last but not the least, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Now I can see the marks are 8, 10, 9, 6. So today's session was super easy, but still there are certain candidates who got marks below 8. So I think everyone should got 10 out of 10 in today's session, but it's okay, no problem. If you don't know the certain terms, do make sure you are revising the content, you are completing the conceptual understanding. Okay, so see you tomorrow at same